Every day, someone who has no coding skills, no audience, and no big budget is turning a simple AI workflow into a digital product that pays them while they sleep. They're not unicorn startups, they're not Silicon Valley techies. They're just like you. And here's the secret. It doesn't take a massive platform or a complicated system. You can start with a single agent, but the real momentum kicks in when you create a suite of them. That's when you stop chasing income and start building digital profit. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the place where we break down how to build and sell digital products powered by AI and automation. If you're serious about creating new income streams, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell so you never miss a hack, and let's dive straight into today's blueprint. So here's the deal. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 AI agents you can build once and sell forever as digital products. I'll break them down step by step, explain why businesses actually need them, and how you can package each one so people will pay for it without blinking. And remember, you don't need to be a coder. Platforms like Make.com, Airtable, Notion, and Gumroad are your best friends here. Let's start with the first one, the lead magnet delivery agent. Every small business, every creator, every coach is trying to capture emails. They offer freebies like ebooks, checklists, or guides, but most of them deliver those freebies manually or through clunky systems. With this AI agent, you set up an automation where someone fills out a form and instantly they receive the freebie in their inbox, branded, professional, and on autopilot. Imagine selling this to a fitness coach who wants to deliver a meal plan or a real estate agent who wants to send out a buyer's checklist. You're solving a pain point instantly. Second, we have the review booster agent. Businesses live and die by reviews. Restaurants, local shops, even online service providers, they all need positive reviews on Google or Yelp. This agent automatically follows up with customers after a purchase, politely asks for feedback, and directs them to leave a review. It's simple, but insanely powerful. Think about the difference it makes for a local coffee shop when their Google rating jumps from 4.1 to 4.6. That's a boost in real sales, and they'll gladly pay you for this kind of system. Third is the content repurposing agent. Content is king, but let's be honest, most business owners don't have time to write blogs, film TikToks, and post on Instagram every single day. With this agent, they can upload a single long piece of content, say a YouTube video or a podcast episode, and the agent will automatically generate blog posts, captions, tweets, and even LinkedIn updates. Suddenly, one piece of content becomes 10, and the business looks alive online without burning out. You can package this as a monthly product or even a subscription. Fourth, the appointment setter agent. Service-based businesses live on bookings. Think of personal trainers, real estate agents, or consultants. The problem? They waste hours juggling messages, checking availability, and sending invites. That's lost time and lost money. This agent fixes it. A client fills out a quick form, the AI qualifies them with smart questions, and if they're a good fit, the system books the slot straight into the calendar. Done. Add reminders by email or text, and no-shows drop dramatically. Imagine a trainer who usually loses clients because she replies too late. Suddenly, she's closing deals while she sleeps. That's the power of automation. Fifth, the customer FAQ agent. Every business gets hammered with the same questions. What are your prices? Do you deliver? What's your refund policy? Slow answers cost sales. This agent acts like a 24/7 support assistant. Through a chat widget or email, it gives instant, accurate responses that feel personal. A customer asks at midnight, "Do you make gluten-free cakes?" The answer comes back immediately with a menu link. It saves time, scales easily, and builds trust. If the agent doesn't know the answer, it forwards the query neatly to the owner. Pitch it as, "Your business now has a support assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and never misses a lead." For small businesses, that's priceless. Now sixth, my favorite, the upsell and cross-sell agent. Most businesses miss out on easy money because they don't follow up after a sale. This agent changes that. After a customer buys something, it automatically suggests a related product, offers a discount, or sends a loyalty coupon. For example, someone buys a yoga mat online, and the next day they get a 10% off code for a set of yoga blocks. It's like having a silent salesperson working nonstop. Businesses love it because it directly increases their revenue. Now let me make this real for you. Imagine you package all 6 of these agents together into a product line called the Local Business Automation Suite. You're not just selling tools, you're selling time, efficiency, and profit. A coffee shop owner doesn't care about Make.com or Airtable. They care that reviews increase, customers book tables without calls, and follow-ups bring more people back. That's why you need to frame your product as a solution, not just a workflow. Here's how to sell them. Step 1. Build the agent once using tools like Make.com, ChatGPT, and Airtable. Step 2. Package it. Create a PDF guide or a short Loom video that explains exactly what the buyer gets and how it works. Step 3. Upload it to a platform like Gumroad or PayHip. These platforms handle the payments and delivery so you can focus on marketing. And step 4. Market it by showing real use cases. Create short TikToks, LinkedIn posts, or even cold emails to local businesses showing the results they can expect. And here's a pro tip. Don't just sell one agent at a time. Bundle them. Imagine a package where a business gets the review booster, appointment setter, and upsell agent together. That's 3 problems solved in one purchase. You can price it higher, and the value for the client skyrockets. So let's recap quickly. You just discovered 6 AI agents that you can build once and sell forever. The lead magnet delivery agent, the review booster agent, the content repurposing agent, the appointment setter agent, the customer FAQ agent, and the upsell and cross-sell agent. Each one solves a real-world problem, and together they create a product line that businesses will happily pay for. Now here's your next step. I've put together a detailed guide that walks you through how to choose your first agent, build it using no-code tools, package it like a real digital product, and sell it without needing a big audience or coding skills. You'll find in the pinned comment below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new hack. And let me know in the comments, which of these agents would you build first? I'm curious to see what you'd start with. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Remember, the digital world is moving fast, and the ones who win are the ones who take action. So build once, sell forever, and let's make those digital profits together. See you in the next video.